Why would you add textures? My number one reason is for artistic ownership and pride. I want to be able to say that I have made this image from A to Z. To completely change an image, this is the same tulip on the left and the right. It's the same base image. All I did to the image on the left was add one or two textures. It completely changed the rich, deep red petals to a watercolor. It's therapy in the garden, in the forest, wherever you are. You see something, it might be color, it might be light, it might be shapes, it might be specular highlights, and you go, "Honey." It's just, I don't know. It feels so good from the inside. So what I did was I did a black and white conversion on the duck, and then I combined it with all the rest of these. So you can see the reeds, they're black and white. You can see the leaves, they're colored. And then the color of the leaves is enhanced by the fern, which is the texture. And the duck just spreading the wings, giving the energy and the motion in the image, continuing that circle of life.